Have you ever seen what over £100,000 worth of upgrades looks like? Because today, I'm about to show you exactly that. Audiofile's V8 Defender demo car. This hasn't just been modified, it's been completely redefined. We built this Defender to show exactly what we're capable of as a company. Whether it's exterior styling, high-end audio, or refined interior. This car represents every part of Audiofile-Incar. We wanted to go all out, without going over the top, and I think we've achieved that. This Defender features the full Urban Widetrack kit, along with this stunning carbon fibre bonnet, which really transforms the presence and the stance of the vehicle. We paired that with Vossen UV1 23-inch wheels, which really complement the kit and make the exterior pop. And at the rear, along with the spoiler and the premium wheel cover, we've also fitted this Quicksilver valved exhaust system. We've also integrated a valve switch, which basically means with the valves closed, it'll give the vehicle more of a refined sound. But with them open, it'll give the vehicle that aggressive, gnarly, gargling sound, which really adds to the character of the vehicle. Have a listen to this. But as good as this vehicle looks and sounds on the outside, wait till you see what's inside. At first glance it looks quite normal, but wait till you see this. Now what we have here are twin Hertz Mille Legend 10-inch subwoofers. These are designed for a tight, punchy controlled bass. We've also got 3 amplifiers, all colour coordinated. We've got backlighting, a perspex enclosure, all followed with an Alcantara diamond which runs right the way through to match the rest of the vehicle. This is a fully active system which allows us to create that true hi-fi experience from inside the cabin. But as impressive as the rear is, the real experience happens up front. These custom-made pillar builds house Audison Thesis components. Now they're designed to direct sound directly to the listener, which creates a live performance inside the vehicle. This is what we call the center channel, custom sculpted and designed to improve clarity across all listening positions. Thesis woofers remain in factory position, but they're upgraded and they're color matched. But when this system really comes alive is at night. This isn't just audio, it's an experience. These seats are completely bespoke, and this is the first Defender fitted with this design. And every detail runs through this entire vehicle, right through from the leather to the stitching. Before we go, there's just one last thing I want to show you, which is completely bespoke to this vehicle. Gesture control. How about that? This car represents over £100,000 worth of upgrades. So if you're serious about upgrading your car, whether it's audio, exterior, interior, let us know what you think. We'd love to work with you. And then we'll see you on the next one.